guys, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to film this video really quick because I remember back when I was working, way before I started applying fake eyelashes, I would always get compliments on my eyelashes, like my natural eyelashes, because I would do them in a way where people thought they were eyelash extensions or they thought I was wearing fake eyelashes. So I just thought, why not show you guys how I did it if you guys don't like wearing eyelashes at all, but you would like to have your natural eyelashes look nice and long. So I just give you tips and tricks on how to do them. So first thing I'm gonna do is curl my eyelashes. I don't use like a special or any specific eyelash curler. I just use whatever I have. And the way I do it is I lift my eyelid just so I can get the eyelash curler as close to the eyelash root as I can. And really try to get all of the eyelashes into the eyelash curler. But you gotta be careful though because you don't want to pinch yourself. And I just leave it there for like 10 seconds. And I just keep squeezing the eyelash curler. So the mascara I'll be using is the Maybelline Lash Stiletto, which is my favorite mascara when I do my eyelashes like this. I haven't really tried it with any other mascara because I really love how this works for my eyelashes. So my first tip when you do this is to get a mascara that's already kind of dry, which is when you're almost running out or you leave your mascara open and it starts to get dry. That's how you're gonna want to do this. Or like Harley Bible does it sometimes, where she does it her eyelashes in front of a fan. That way your eyelashes can get drier faster. So for your first coat of mascara, you really want to get in there starting from your roots all the way to the tip of the eyelash. So the way I do it is I put the little brush up against my tight line, which is this right here, and make sure it's touching it. And then I kind of twist the brush while I'm going up. And also I close my eyes so I can help push the eyelashes to the brush. And I like my eyelashes to be nice and separated like this, and you have to get the eyelashes how you want from the very first coat of mascara. So I use some tweezers, kind of separate them. So that is just pretty much what I do, but I just keep adding more coats if I want them to be darker or a little bit thicker. So I will just show you how it would look like if I add another coat. Pretty much do the same thing, but this time I make sure I add more to the tips of the eyelashes. Also, what helps you separate them is if you do the same step, close your eyes, and as you're going up, you also go like this. So it can help you separate them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the top of the eyelashes and kind of do the same thing. I always get mascara on my eyelid, but you can just wait and remove that when you're done. Before you remove the mascara you have on your eyelid, you want to wait for it to dry. And then you just lightly go over it. And they'll just go away. These aren't curled at all, so you can barely see them. And it does make a really big difference. So that is it. That's how I make my eyelashes look longer and fuller. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. I do have another tip. If your eyelashes won't stay up after you curl them and apply mascara, you might want to try waterproof mascara. It's not a problem for me, but it does happen to my sisters. And they do say that the only thing that works is if they use waterproof mascara, or else their eyelashes start going down. So I don't know, it might work for you guys too. But yeah, definitely try it with the Maybelline Lash Stiletto mascara. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!